Beep.
Are we on? Are we on?
Yeah, can't you tell? We got multiple people.
Oh, yeah, we gotta get this.
Taking a picture. You don't do it for his camera, just mine?
Beep. 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 Oh, jeez.
As much as I'd like to
Beep.
keep... Oh, gosh. As much as I'd like to keep this here. This is,
No, I mean at this time we're done.
Oh, we're never done.
my ears are done.
Cancel out the eardrum.
My bad, yo.
My ears are getting canceled out here. As if we didn't listen to enough loud music today.
Yeah, how about it?
It was cranked pretty good.
It was.
Especially when we were trying to talk. Every time we were trying to talk, we crank it up.
I don't know, Kevin didn't seem to want to put it very loud. And here's great camera work.
The fight of the tripods.
So the context behind this one is...
I'm gonna go broke running this.
Yeah, this is going to burn up a lot of electricity. You didn't want to, like, discuss it at all? You just wanted to show it?
Oh yeah, we'll discuss it, definitely. Yeah, why wouldn't we?
Well, you've just blasted it turning it on without even showing anything about it.
That's fine.
Well, of course.
You in a rush?
No.
See, I go slow.
No, I was getting excited.
All right.
Try it on high, then we'll talk about it. Then we'll run it again.
Especially
2 for 1 special. Oh man, that's really burning some power now.
This is a very, very expensive unit to operate.
Gotta cancel that out. Gotta get a new one. It's inefficient. Go take that to the scrapyard. What's rubber scrap going for nowadays?
About $4 or $5 a pound.
If it'll save me that much money on my electric bill, I'm good with it. See what we're gonna cancel it out right now. See how long.
Cancel it with a big pair of scissors.
There we go. That's more like it.
Much better.
Much better. It does actually move a little bit of air too.
It does, yeah.
And the spin down time is fantastic.
Which is impressive because it's never been serviced. It's non-serviceable.
The thing's made by a brand called Home Essentials, it looks like. Is that the OEM or is that just the tag they put on
So
it?
Home Essentials is a store brand. I used to think that it was the Target store brand, but now some people are saying that it was the Kmart store brand. So I'm not completely certain. We'll need to get somebody can clarify that.
Yeah. It has 2 speeds on it, runs off a 4.5 volt power supply.
That is not the original power supply.
So a RadioShack probably.
That's a bygone era.
But hey, RadioShack was awesome.
Yeah.
I miss it.
Me
Is there
too.
one in Broadhead still, PA?
There's a couple of them out there yet, but not many. It's a neat looking little guy.
Yeah, it's a really neat fan. I have not seen many other examples of this over the years.
So I gotta keep my eye on one for the one to show up on eBay. I'll get it for the kids' room.
You're gonna be able to afford it? Everything
I can afford the
stupid site is so overpriced. I hate that.
I can't afford to buy the fan. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to afford to run the fan. You saw the watt meter.
Yeah, it's very, very high draw on this. You'd be using less power running a Rotorex compressor.
I would.
I was just turning on an air conditioner instead.
I mean, for what that thing draws, yeah.
Because as we know, a fan, it doesn't cool the air, it just moves it. But the Rotorex machine would actually cool the air.
And use less electricity.
Correct. Did you look at the watts as well?
I did not.
Because there's going to be some discrepancy because this is, well, as you know, this is not 100% efficient.
Oh, so you're telling me it's going to draw even more?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this draws even more than it would before. 3.7 watts on high.
Oh my God.
This is awful. I don't know how anybody could afford to run this. And it's
Well, if you just need a little bit of air circulation on it, that's actually not bad.
yeah, for a desk or
neat.
something, it's satisfactory. It has I don't know if your camera has good enough audio to pick it up, but the motor has a very interesting sound. It's a brushed DC motor. So when you turn it off, that clicking will stop.
It'll pick it up. Huh. That's pretty cool.
It's an exceptionally cheap product, but
It is, but it's neat. Like I said, my eyes went right to it. I saw it and I'm like, hey, what's this little guy?
yeah, it's a really neat piece. We got this back in the early 2000s, and I just can't remember what store it was at. It has to have been Kmart or Target. and we had there was a really ugly room in the house downstairs where the computer was.
Check 1, 2, testing. It does it a little bit.
Never mind.
Shiny red ball, little kid in the candy shop here. Yeah, as you were.
We had in that house a very ugly computer room. This is back when there was still a big CRT monitor on the table, and it was all ugly silver and modern and whatever. And so my mother bought this because it fit right in with that ugly room, and it was a hideous room. But this looked, if you like that kind of stuff, this looks cool in the room.
That's even cooler. So this is your personal.
Yeah, I've had this since it was new, and of course I stole it and used it for myself just a couple weeks after we got it. And the reason the adapter is not original is because I used to use it in the living room. We had a big, what are those windows called that like stick out from the house?
Bay window.
Yeah, we had a big bay window, and I would put it. The original adapter was not a right angle; it was just came out straight. And I didn't know any better, and I would push it up against the window, and eventually the connector broke.
Oh, so you were smart. You got a 90.
And so my grandfather went out to RadioShack and bought a new adapter, and that solved the problem. But yeah, this is very nostalgic to me. We've had this since the 2000s.
That's cool, dude.
And somehow it survived all these years, which is incredible. Cause
it still works.
It's not durable. It's a very delicate, flimsy thing, and it's just lasted and still works pretty good.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. And there was also a ceiling fan that was sold at Lowe's under the Harbor Breeze brand. That looked exactly like these blades, but it was 36 inch or whatever. I'm sure a lot of the people that like ceiling fans that are watching this will know exactly what I'm talking about.
Oh, they'll get some comments right now at this part. People at 6:30, 6:31. Hey.
It had nothing to do with this product. I think it was probably several years later. Is something funny about that?
No, never mind.
No, what?
You want to share it with the rest of the class?
Yeah. What's so funny?
Absolutely not.
You guys want to sit outside until the class is over?
No.
We have to throw you out of the
I'm
room?
here to disrupt things.
I'm just listening.
I know, you were talking too. Both of you.
they were talking. They were talking
you were
shit.
giggling over there about something.
They're talking shit.
Something happened that I didn't pick up on. It's supposedly funny, and
I want to know.
Yeah,
I need a good laugh.
because we're gonna get ridiculed in the comments box, and we didn't pick up on it. Those two picked up on it, and we're gonna be in the dark here until we find out what it was.
We'll find out, I guess, sooner than later. As soon as those comments freaking hit, they get pretty ruthless pretty quick.
Once those comments start rolling in, the joke's over.
Now, is this in the same house as the Westinghouse?
Yes,
It was.
the living room with the Westinghouse is exactly where this was used.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
And there was a Westinghouse there when you got this? Probably, huh?
Like it's
The Westinghouse was there up until 2007, when it was replaced in favor of a central air conditioner in the house, and never got as cold again.
Not to this fan. That was to the central. Just want to be clear. I was to the central air conditioner.
That was. That Westinghouse was in service.
Yeah, that gets a.
The house was built in '66 or '67.
It was original to it.
So it was original to the house, and it was used from '67 till 2008.
That's a shame, man.
Worked perfectly up until the day it was removed.
40 years.
canceled right out.
Yep. We had a pool in that house, and I vividly remember we would turn the air conditioner on and go in the pool.
That thing would be going on 60 years old, and it probably would still work.
Yeah, when we came in from the pool to use the bathroom or something, you would shiver in that house. It was so cold. And that was high ceiling in the living room, big windows.
It was probably properly sized, I'm sure.
Huge heat gain on that house, and it just froze out the whole thing.
That had a 30 amp on it, right?
Oh yeah.
So that's probably.
So it's identical to yours, except for it actually had the Westinghouse freaking.
It probably is.
Yeah. All the only difference is Westco. To me, Westco, Westinghouse, it don't matter. It's the same freaking air conditioner.
Yeah, same guts.
I kind of like the clicking sound of that.
It's very unique, yeah.
What about the 24th?
Yeah, from the 60s, because that is the West Coast. What information are you sharing with each other? 5. It could be a 24, and I forget exactly, but roughly a 2.
We're whispering in stereo.
There's someone bringing up for you. Clip that, make it short, throw some noise on it.
Yeah.
This is being recorded in stereo, not quadraphonic. Yeah, but we can get it quadraphonic. We just need more microphones.
Oh no! That is a double standard. That is a double standard.
This should have been the time I should have busted out that freaking air horn for them.
Because every time I do, oh, it stinks, it's so bad, put the fan on.
Yeah, but now we definitely have an air quality issue in here.
And now we have that. And just everybody just stays in place, it goes on, nothing happens.
Lucky for you guys, I can't handle that freaking air horn again, so you're spared.
Thank God.
But yeah, thanks for watching. But see, it does, like I said, the thing does have a pretty little impressive.
Oddly enough, it's gotten better over the years. It never used to spin for that long.
It's broken in.
I guess so.
It knew it was going to get canceled out if the spin time didn't get better.
Oh no, this thing is never going to get canceled out.
Dirty jokes.
You can't put a price on sentiment, dude.
You know, you can. Nostalgia wins every time, and that's why I will take the Rotorex from the 90s
Yeah.
or the Weather Wheel any day.
Especially if the Weather has a beast.
Hey, I get it, man.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it for that, and yeah, catch you guys on the next one.
Which one will that be?
Oh, this other one in another video that nobody's going to watch because it's actually going to be educational.
And it's going to be 5 hours long, so.
It won't be 5 hours long. Meh. Oh, you get a picture of that.
Just me shedding.
You got a good thumbnail.
Yep. Dave
That will get you some views if you have a good thumbnail on this one.
Oh yeah,
Well, I did re-recorded this a couple months ago and it's got a lot of views.
cool. Yeah, cool.
Every time the ad revenue starts dripping, just repost the video of that.
You know, there actually have been videos where I accidentally posted them multiple times. And usually they get more views the second time. Very consistently.
Like,
And it's
okay,
funny 'cause the
algorithm.
comments box is, you already posted. Why are you posting it twice? But people are watching
Well, you're
it.
watching-
Don't be
It's not like, yeah,
be like,
no.
no one's making you watch the damn thing. Shut the hell up.
You clicked on it again.
You
That's
clicked
your
it.
fault.
Yeah, you couldn't tell me the thumbnail the same damn thing. What if I have two of them? What if this is the second one?
And that's, I like
exactly
duplicates.
the
That's not out of the question.
Yeah.